Kailan po yung balik music scene nyo? We've heard
Music
kasi you're...
scene. Well, you have to watch out for it kasi this year I will release my album after a long time. It's gonna be an all original album, all written by me. So kailangan yung abangan yan. Lapit na. I'm already starting recording.
Magkakaroon na rin ba ng concert na ipoproduce ni Miss Meme Vice? Dahil nag-trending yun online.
Hoping. Sana isama nyo rin yan sa prayers nyo na mangyari yan this year. At kung meron, update ko kayo.
Pero may chance ba na, ito na lang, kasi diba, nagko-crossover na yung Channel 2 artist. So how was it yung yung pag-guest sa Showtime, like especially for you tapos nag-guest judge ka din sa TNT?
Yeah.
Well, of course, it's a very nice feeling. It's a proud feeling that, of course, I came from a different network, which is GMA.
Popstar.
But the other network, which is ABS, they are getting me, to be a part of their show. So, very proud moment. And that has been my kahit saan ako magpunta, hindi ko ipapahiya yung network ko. Hindi ko ipapahiya yung mga boss ko kung saan ako nanggaling. Gusto niyo yung tumulong sa akin na mag-own kung sino ako ngayon as an artist.
Pero if ever, sino yung gusto mong maka-work sa kabilang channel?
Wow.
Sa magkakaroon ng collab?
It would be Miss Casey Candinas.
Wow.
Why not? She's one of the best singers in the Philippines.
May encounter ka na rin ba kay Kim Chu nung nag-showtime?
Super super lively pala siya in person, very joyous. So, she's very, very pretty. Isa siya sana, talaga natitigan ko sa ganda niya.
Habot kay Meme Vice?
Kasi si Meme, yun nga, nag-meet na kami noon. Tama naman yung kwento na. Unang meeting namin, party talaga. So, syempre, pag party, maluwag na yung loob mo sa tao, light na, di ba? So, doon siya nag-start eh. Hindi ko naman in-expect na matutuwa doon si Meme. Tapos, kukunin niya ako sa show niya, di ba? Nakatuwa.
Good afternoon and congratulations sa exciting na soap ninyo. No? Ang question ko po first ay para sa mga mamamayamang asawa ng Bea at Carla, Ben and Rafael. First question, ginawa na syempre, from now pa lang alam na namin na medyo maikli lang yung magiging participation niya sa show. No? So, tungo ko din dalawang questions. What made you say is, kahit short lang yung role, and how do you intend to make it remarkable kahit ilang episodes na kayong mag-a-appear? So, first, Ben, Rafael.
Sorry. How did I make it remarkable? That's your question.
Yes, and
Hi everyone,
you
first
say
and
yes.
foremost. Hello, maraming salamat sa pagpunta ninyo dito. Of course, maraming salamat sa GMA for entrusting me with this role. Pero more than anything talaga, sa bawat set na pinupunta mo, sa bawat character ko, it's always that same approach na I will do my best to understand the character and not judge him. To be able to portray a character kasi, you have to accept them fully. So, in-accept ko si Paco Palacios na fully dito, although sobrang halos hindi ako makapag-relate sa ugali niya. So, yung approach na ginawa ko this time, tulad ng sinabi niyo para magkaroon ng arca, which is up to the writers naman. Personally, what I did was my very best talaga. And ang weird kasi ng psychological complications ni Paco eh. So, I had to study up on some psychology para lang mag-gets ko kung bakit ganun ang tipong reaction ng isang klaseng tao na tulad ni Paco Palacios. So, I think sa 1 or 2 or 3 weeks, maybe 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 weeks na kasama ako sa show, I believe na I portrayed Paco in a way na feeling ko hindi niyo siya makakalimutan. Gusto ko sabihin na ikwento ko paano, pero more than anything, I think you have to watch and judge for yourself kasi medyo bias kung magagaling sa akin eh. So I invite all of you to check it out kung paano kaming lahat kakaiba sa mga roles namin sa show na to. So, yun, with that, thank you so much.
Yeah. I don't think you're in this soap. You never really did because there's flashbacks. There's ways to write it. We're still be present. And yeah, tama. 9 weeks na. But again, when I accepted the role, I think the writing was on the wall. I mean, the title, Widow's War. When they said na husband ako ni Carla, I saw the title, Widows. already accepted my fate. Yeah, you can't fight that, di ba? But to make it memorable, just prepare. I think the writers did a really great job, especially with Basil. I had so much fun playing on set. Sam Silveas, Carla. First time to work with Direk Zig on a soap. Nakaalala naman sila eh. So you really don't have to, as long as you're present, as long as you prepared your lines and you come in with what you're good with, gumaganda siya sa set. Lagi kami nag-attend, that's the best part where we get to play on set. And I think everyone here has probably a good career in writing as well. Kasi nga, I don't think we've had a scene na ang lumabas na dialogue ay yung nandun sa papel. I think everyone has been able to make it their own. And ang daming mga lines na wala sa papel. Maraming nuances, sabi nga Kuya dito na wala sa papel. And again, what's war without death? So, we're honored to be the ones to go first. But we never know. There's a lot more to come, guys. Marami pa mga there's, what's war without death and something like that. So, anyone here is up on the chocolate block. So,
Okay, then follow-up question para sa inyong dalawa din. Kasi ang inabangan sa Widow's Sweat and Royal Blood ay isa sa mga inabangan. Siyempre kung paano mamamatay yung papatayan, di ba? So, without spoiling too much, or baka naman pwede, baka may mga kwento kayo kung paano yung ginawa, yung ginawa eksena din. Mamamatay ang mga characters.
nakita na namin yung sa'yo eh.
Mas magaling ka sumagot, bro. Kaya parang gusto mo na
Alam mo yung
ikaw
mga
mo na
sumagot.
Any story behind the scenes na kwento.
So you have to watch it. You really have to watch it. And it's not you would not expect it how. I mean, aside from yung nakita nyo yung trailer niya, but who knows, maybe he's not dead there. You
But
never
I
know.
think, kung ano sinabi ni Ben, si Direk Zig has a very beautiful way of telling the story. And without revealing too much, yung scenes kung saan mawawala ang mga character, they will be so significant na maalala na talaga. It's very beautifully done. Personally, I had so much fun shooting them, and syempre pag nakahiga ka lang doon at nakapikit, di ba? Wala kang ibang nakikita kundi naririnig mo yung mga sinasabi nila, and more than anything, from them holding me, nararamdaman ko yung puso nila. So it was very intense. I can just admit right now na habang nakapikit ako at naririnig ko yung boses at nararamdaman ko yung energy nila, very sad, very strong energy of sadness.
And
So sana,
for what it's worth, kahit we're only there for a few weeks, our characters are really well written. Buo siya. You wouldn't be, you can't say na ano siya eh, paying off for say the guesting or cameo eh. It really is, it feels like I know my character for a 20-week script na. Ganun siya kabuo. So, yeah, thank you to the writers. Thank you, CJ. Great writing, so.
Thank you, Ben.